We'll leave those on for 7 to 10 days. We'll take it back, we'll gather all the information, and we'll come up with a plan for you. The compressed air audits typically done so we can either size a new air compressor or optimize your system, or both. So what we're doing when we do a compressed air audit is we're going to do a good survey of your facility. We're going to look at the supply side, the air compressors. Are they fixed speed, variable speed? We're going to look at the air dryers, the air receivers, the whole air system. And now we're not quite ready to put the data loggers on at that point. Next, we would always recommend doing an air leak audit, because if we do an air leak audit at this point, we can minimize as many leaks there are in your facility by repairing them, and then we can also get better accurate data with our loggers when we're actually looking at your system. We'll put KW loggers on all the air compressors, and we'll put some pressure transducers in to monitor the pressure in your system as well. We'll leave those on for 7 to 10 days. We'll take it back, we'll gather all the information, and we'll come up with a plan for you. We might recommend changes on the supply side, the demand side, on both, but we're going to tailor make a solution for you and your facility.